Hello all. I thought I'd take some time today just to give you a reading and talk to you about a book that's wonderful, that I really like, that I found very fun to read in Canuric, in the Cornish language. It is And Selter, move my head over it, the Book of Psalms. So this book was published in '97 by the Cesar and Tavis Canuric, the Cornish Language Board. It's called And Selter Living Salmo Trilidis the Canuric. The Book of Psalms translated into Cornish. And also it was translated by a man called R.K.R. Schneid. So R.K.R. Schneid has asserted his rights to be identified as translator of this work for the purposes of Copyright Act. So all credit goes to him and Kisva. But I thought I'd read you the first psalm, just so you can see what it sounds like. So apologies, my pronunciation isn't always perfect, so take it with a grain of salt. First psalm is called Briteus via qui non abut, which is Latin for blessed are those who has not walk, as in the English first line, which is blessed are those who do not walk in the counsel of evil, or in the way of sin. So, okay, and Salmonen. Winvis and day na kurthing kuzalan de bellas, hana 7/4 pedajoron, hana a seth and a setha and reo aragis. Mazime I Luana in Laha and Aluth, hag in Ilaha I Prada ev Deathanos. Evervith avo gwethen plenzis rib govero dor, orihi fruit in I therman. Ni weather hidel ha pipina gavello eversuan. Ninju and della ama and velas. Methinzi I avo culin huithis the ves dre and gwins. Lagena, ni sevan de bellas in Bruce. Nahapa joran in conteles and rewelion. Regan alutha as one fourth and rewelion, met fourth and velas alagol. So that's it. That's the psalm, first psalm, psalm number 1. Blessed are those who walk not in sin. Hem you all like a V. So that's all from me, and have a nice day.